Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On today's video, I just want to share a cool feature. Actually, this is not from only from Canva, but I recently found Canva able to do it. What I mean is change faces. So AI technology now able to change our face or photo face, even if the videos very easy. We don't need to editing by ourselves. If we edit by ourselves, it could take a day, 2 days, or 3 days to just change an image face into another face. So now AI technology make it so easy, so easy. Now let's try to use Canva. Okay, here I'm using Canva Premium, Canva Pro, and then click create a design, and then just custom size and commonly square size. Okay, wait for a while, it's loading. And then on the left panel here, you look for these apps. So this apps feature only available if you are subscribed to the premium Canva. So I suggest you to subscribe for premium Canva because I think so worth it. Okay, search for Reface. Okay, Reface, here the app, and then just click this one. I already prepare the image. I want to change the face. I prepare image for John Wick and Anthony. Wait. Wait, it's loading. Okay, original image I will choose for John Wick picture, this one. And then new face I will choose for Anthony that recently moved to Real Betis. Swap face. Now it's swapping face. Let's see the result. Actually, I've done this for several times. Where troubleshoot the faces, please try using different images for best result. Use clear front facing. Okay, let's try one more time. Okay, let's change the Anthony picture. Like I'll search for, let's say this one. No. Let's say this one. Okay, open in new tab and then save the image. Okay, go back to the Canva and then search for this one, open, and then try it one more time. Swap faces. Coffee. So good. I think it took so long. Commonly, it's just for 20 to 30 seconds, but never mind. It's fine. It's fine because if I'm doing it by myself, it took maybe two days, 3 days to change the faces. Let's see the result. See, I have Anthony as a John Wick. Very nice. And Anthony Wick. Okay, that's it. This video, you can explore by yourself this feature. Actually, not only on Canva, there are a bunch of AI tools that could change faces on your images. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.